Hello, and
Hi.
welcome to September Says. Today on September Says, we are going to be opening a...
LOL confetti pop.
What's an LOL confetti pop, September?
You're about to see.
Okay. Well, we did a Pick Me Pop the last time, so what is a confetti pop?
I just started opening it.
Okay. It's about LOL dolls?
Yeah.
What's that?
It's our secret message.
And what is the secret message?
Rock drum.
Rock drum. Is that a rock?
That's a rock and a drum.
This is Rock the Beat.
Oh!
Rock the Beat. Oh, this is a new one. We haven't had this one yet.
No, we haven't. Invite me from the rock club.
Now, LOL, all the LOL dolls have layers. All the layers. So there's a surprise after every layer, right?
There is something different to the LOL confetti pop. Ooh, I see this.
What's different with the LOL confetti pops?
The ball looks really different.
Okay, this is layer 2, 1.
Hey, number 1.
Part of number 1.
And part of number 1.
What's this?
The instructions to how to open it. Let me just get this wrap.
What is this?
Stickers to what it does.
Stickers to what it does. Well, let's figure out what it does.
Why I keep opening.
It looks like LOL dolls do things with water. What do they do, September? Tell everybody.
They change color.
What else?
Tinkle.
Tinkle.
Cry.
Cry.
Spit out of their ear.
Spit out of their ear.
I don't want to spit out of their
Do they spit out of their mouths too?
Yes.
But you don't spit, right? Because you're not an
Oh.
LOL doll.
Oh, they just always spit out of their ear.
Out of their ear? Okay, can you spit out of your ear?
No.
I thought you were an LOL doll.
Stop.
No. Okay, all right, let's see.
I got the instructions in my tattoo and these. So here's the instructions.
Here are the instructions.
I know how to do it already.
Okay. All right, you know how to do it?
Yeah.
Okay. Show all the boys and girls at home how you open up an LOL confetti pop.
So here's the difference between the normal one and the real one.
Okay, tell me the difference.
So the normal one just has surprises in each layer, but this one has surprises in the little containers. But first I have to take the sticker off.
So
So
you take the sticker
I'm
off,
gonna stick it on you.
stick it on me. She stuck it on me.
And then it says spin me, spin me, spin me. I'm gonna open the golden one so I can spin it.
Oh, there's a prize in every little secret compartment. Oh,
Mommy, can you get my purse?
get your purse.
Yeah.
Well, why don't we open these so everybody watching can see what's inside of the purse?
This was the last one.
Okay.
This is the last one, so that's why I'm going this way.
Okay. Are we gonna open this and see what's inside?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me open it. Let me get it out there. Ooh! I know which one we got already.
Those are the coolest sunglasses I've ever seen.
Great sunglasses. Let me get it out.
Uh-oh. All
Mom,
right.
can you snap these back on?
Yes, we can.
Okay.
Secret bag number 2.
Secret bag number 2 is this little shirt.
What a cute outfit. Let's see. It's a little jacket and a little pair of zebra pants. I think I might have an outfit like that. That's pretty cute.
I didn't snap on.
Snap these back on.
Because we have to close them.
Okay.
I'll close that one.
The suspense is killing me. We gotta hurry.
Why? Alright, snap it. Spin me, spin me, spin me. Already open.
Oh, so you spin it and then every time, there's a new compartment to open.
Yeah. There might be something big in there. Snap this out. Oh, let me get that close up. That.
Okay, let's see what's in here.
Hey, it says, if you realize it says some words right here.
What are the? Oh, it does say words. Surprise inside, yay! But we already knew that, didn't we?
Yeah. Because we had 2 of these. Ooh, I know who this is.
Oh, what is that? What in the world?
A water bottle.
What a cool looking water bottle. What does it say on the front? It says, missing. Have you seen me? It's a cat on a milk bottle. Oh, I think it's a cat. It's a cool cat.
No, it's not.
It's not a cat?
It's not a cat. It's an LOL confetti pop. If it was a surprise pet, it would be a pet.
Oh, okay. All right.
That's just the water bottle.
Okay.
Let's snap them.
Okay. Is this the last compartment?
Maybe. Yeah, it's the last compartment. I hope this one has the string. Ooh, this one has the string.
Oh, all right. Last thing.
And then we'll go to the string part.
Okay. See what's inside.
And then we'll go to the string. Ooh, these are the shoes. Amazing. Gray shoes.
Gray Ooh, those are cool boots.
I know who we got. It was on my YouTube channel. I know who we got.
Who did we get?
I know. I just have
Okay, and now for... Whoa! Is that why they call it a confetti pop?
Yes.
Oh, because that was confetti. Well, where's the doll?
The doll's right there.
Oh! All right, here we go.
Let me get it.
Open her up.
I gotta get down. Gotta get my seat.
Okay, here we go. Here's the reveal.
Yes, I knew who we got.
What is her name? Let's find her name in the collection.
Can I see what collection she's in? Let me see.
Oh, I see her. She's right there.
Okay, let's get her dress.
Let's find out what her name is so we can tell everybody. Her name is Funky Cutie. Funky Cutie.
Alright, let me turn this over. This is Girl Club.
Where's her outfit? So we can find her by her outfit. All of the confetti, LOL, surprises come with all of the dolls. And the object is to collect them all.
Because I have like so many of these. So I'm going to get her dress.
You're going to get her dress. All right. Well, before you get her dress, so what do you tell the girls at home about the LOL confetti pop? Do we give it a thumbs up, a sideways, or a thumbs down?
Sideways.
Sideways? Then why do you have so many? I think she really gives it a thumbs up.
Sideways.
Thanks for watching.
Hey, I want to show them what she looks like when she's dressed. I have to get her shoesies on. There's one shoe. There's two shoes. Oh, she's looking like a cowboy.
She's looking like a cowboy.
With her little bootsies on. Gonna put her little top on. Gonna put her top on. Or I can just put on her bottom. Maybe you put on her bottoms first. I don't know.
Yeah, you probably. Do you put your bottoms on first before you put on shoes?
Yes.
That's probably a good idea.
You have to touch where it's hard. There we go.
Oh, cute. Look at her, everybody. What's her name? Funky Cutie.
Funky Monkey. My mommy told me Funky Monkey. Funky.
How cute.
Hold on, I got to
Put her
get.
sunglasses on her,
Hold on.
and then we'll show everybody the reveal.
Oh, she's looking gray. I knew it. Hold on, I gotta get her gray bottle. Oh, I gotta put on her shoes. I always have to put on her shoesies.
How cute.
Get her bottle. Lay it on her.
There she is, everybody. The funky cutie LOL confetti doll.
Confetti.
All right.
Hold on.
Tell everybody bye.
Hold on, I want to do something. Let me just get some confetti in my hand.
Bye.
Bye.